Yo ho hoy, yo ho hoy, yo ho hoy hoy. It's your boy Taro Productions, and here in the UK, it's Bonfire Night. So I want to wish everyone happy Bonfire Night, Guy Fawkes Night, Fireworks Night, whatever you want to call it. If you can hear it, there's a ton of fireworks going off, and if you could see the coloured flashing and the coloured sparks, you can see the fireworks, and can probably hear them too. I'm probably going to use a lot of the firework footage I've got on my camera for a few episodes of Burn Ultraman Taro, maybe to serve as the fireworks for the New Year episode. So, yeah. This has been Taro Productions, signing off.